Imagine a school where you're not just sitting at a desk, you're rolling up your sleeves. Where today you're learning science on the banks of the Chesapeake Bay, and tomorrow you're studying civil rights at a teach-in. Authentic, experiential learning. The kind that brings the world into our classrooms and brings students into the world to apply what they've learned. That's what Georgetown Day School is all about. Georgetown Day School was founded in 1945 by 7 remarkable families with one extraordinary vision. A school where learning would extend beyond the classroom walls, where students would not be separated based on race or religion, where they would receive a world-class education to build their minds and strengthen their characters. Today, Georgetown Day School serves more than 1,000 students from pre-kindergarten through 12th grade, but our values are the same. We are a private school with a public mission, committed to social justice, innovation, and the type of academic excellence that a diverse learning environment provides. Learning just feels different at Georgetown Day School. Walk through our halls and watch our top-notch faculty inspire our students. You may see pre-kindergarten students learning science by watching baby chicks hatch. 3rd graders practicing conversational Chinese. 8th graders performing a simulation of the Continental Congress, or a concert rehearsal led by an accomplished jazz musician. The arts are everywhere at Georgetown Day School. Students may play the tuba, sing in a chorus, or perform an improvisational sketch in our Black Box Theater, all in the same week. We teach students to work together, to think creatively, and to be resilient. Of course, there's plenty of learning outside the classroom. We offer clubs and activities at all grade levels. Our debate team is one of the best in America, and our middle school and high school field championship caliber women's, men's, and co-ed athletic teams. So whether you're interested in sinking 3-pointers or mastering poetry, odds are we have a program for you. Community service is part of the culture at Georgetown Day School. You may find our lower school students collecting cans for recycling, our middle school students chopping vegetables for a food pantry, or a high school student volunteering as a translator in a local health clinic. All high schoolers complete at least 60 hours of community service before graduating. At Georgetown Day School, we don't just prepare students for college, we prepare them for life. That's because we believe in giving students the skills to thrive in a rapidly changing world and the compassion to make it better. We are Georgetown Day School.